Life is unpredictable. Minsan, everything is going well, then suddenly, boom, di ba? A problem comes out of nowhere. Maybe nawalan ka ng trabaho, maybe a relationship ended, maybe you're struggling with your mental health, or you just feel stuck. No, we all go through tough times, and minsan it's easy to feel hopeless. Pero, pause for a while. Think about a time in your life when you thought you wouldn't make it. Yet, here you are, di ba? That's proof of your resilience. Alam nyo, ang dami nating pinagdaanan sa buhay na akala natin hindi na natin malalagpasan. Pero kapag binalikan natin ngayon, makikita nating mas nagiging matatag tayo, dahil doon. Let me share one of my biggest struggles I faced. Something that really tested my patience, confidence, and strength. My point sa life ko na feeling ko sobrang lost ako. Parang kahit anong gawin ko, wala akong direction. I was trying so hard to reach a goal pero parang hindi ako umaabot doon. Minsan, I'd ask myself, para saan pa to? Bakit parang hindi gumagalaw? Ang buhay ko na habang ang iba, ang bilis nilang umangat, and I won't lie, ang hirap. There were days na gusto ko na lang sumuko, just drop everything and walk away. Pero alam nyo kung ano ang nagbago sa mindset ko? One night, habang nagmumuni-muni ako, I asked myself, paano kung isang hakbang na lang pala ako papalapit sa goal ko? Paano kung sayangin ko ang lahat ng pinaghirapan ko dahil lang sa takot o pagod, di ba? That's when I decided kahit mahirap, kahit mabagal ang progress, hindi ako titigil. I started changing my habits. Instead of comparing myself to others, I focus on my own journey. Instead of letting failure define me, I use it as a lesson. And you know what? Slowly but surely, things started to fall into place. Hindi biglaan, hindi madali, pero unti-unti lumilinaw yung daan. Looking back, I realized na yung struggle na yun ang nagturo sa akin ng patience, ng perseverance, and self-trust. If I hadn't given up, siguro I wouldn't be where I am today. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan kayo ngayon, lagi nyo lang tandaan na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Malalampasan nyo lahat, because you are stronger than you think. Well, struggles are part of life, but it's not the struggle, that defines us. It's how we respond to them.